By now, you have all heard of Zillow. Usually Zillow is used as a way to list your homes or rentals for sale or for rent. But did you know that it can also be used as a rental manager? Welcome back, Loopers. My name is Sydney, and I'm a content creator here at DoorLoop. Now, disclaimer that I do work at DoorLoop, but today I'll be sharing with you how DoorLoop compares to Zillow so you can make the most informed choice possible for your company. So that being said, let's hop in. Zillow Rental Manager is Zillow's offering for landlords looking for basic tools to manage their properties. The feature set is limited, but it does have a few essential things that make managing your property easier. Let's take a look at their features and the pricing and see what they have to offer. Later, we're going to take a look at a head-to-head comparison with a full property management software to see how they compare. Zillow Rental Manager has a few features to offer. Its features focus on applications and tenant screening, including the following: background checks, credit history, and eviction reports. You can also get access to basic rent payment options such as credit card payment functionality, auto pay, and payment history. And of course, from Zillow Rental Manager, you can manage your property listing, which syndicates to Trulia and HotPads. Notably, many features you'd expect from a typical property management software are missing, such as tenant communication tools, maintenance management, and more. Zillow Rental Manager itself is basically free to use, though there are fees attached to most features. Zillow charges $9.99 per listing per week after your first free listing, which is the primary cost associated with the platform. You also pay $29 for application and screening reports, a cost that can be placed on the applicant. The site also offers a premium add-on for listings for each property. Zillow Feed Connect is also $2.45 per listing per day. There are transaction fees as well, such as 2.95% for credit card and a straight $9.95 for debit cards, which can be passed off to the tenants. Now let's finish with a comparison between Zillow's Rental Manager and a full-featured property management tool that we've been referencing, DoorLoop. With Zillow Rental Manager, you get rent collection, leasing tools, tenant screening, and a convenient mobile app. With DoorLoop, you get every feature you could ever need to optimize your entire property management business: rent collection, leasing tools, tenant screening, a convenient mobile app, maintenance management, marketing tools, tenant communication tools, tenant portal, owner portal, an accounting suite, and so much more. Zillow Rental Manager has various associated costs as we talked about, but one set monthly charge. Its main fee is that $9.99 per listing per week after the first free listing, which can add up quickly if you're not careful. As for DoorLoop, you pay one transparent amount, just $49 per month for up to 20 units, with the basic plan if billed annually. DoorLoop has award-winning customer support with everything from a vast help center to lightning-fast email chat and phone support. The best part is that you actually get to talk to real human beings for support. Zillow Rental Manager has a collection of useful features, but if you're serious about streamlining your process, DoorLoop has all the features you need to save both time and money and efficiency. But don't take our word for it. Schedule a free demo with DoorLoop today with the link in the description to decide if it's the right thing for you. If you click that link, you may also get a special discount. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out this playlist for more software reviews. Also, if you're looking for a place to connect with other property managers and landlords, join our exclusive Facebook group. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!